Hello and welcome friends to your YouTube channel Secret Formula. Today you are going to learn dividing trick by 37. Yes, any 3-digit number of same series you can divide it by 37 within 2 seconds. Yes, it's my challenge that you can divide this number within 2 seconds using this formula. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Even click on the bell icon so you can get the notifications of new secret formula. Let's see how it works. Here 3 divided by 37. So add up all the 3's. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. Same as 444 divided by 37. That is 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. And that's it. It's so simple. So work on the next number series, that is 5 divided by 37. 5 plus 5 is 15. And same as 6 divided by 37. 6 plus 6 is 18. Now find out the answers for number series of 7, 8 and 9 and comment your answer. Thank you.